This is Stu Ellis reporting on behalf of the Illinois Soybean Association Checkoff Program. When drought increases, so do populations of spider mites, says University of Illinois entomologist Nick Seiter. But what is that relationship between dry weather and spider mites?
And what we see with spider mites, they're one of the few pests that really kind of takes off when we have drought conditions. There's a few reasons for that. One, they just do a little bit better on drought-stressed plants as far as their feeding. But two, there's a number of pathogens that come through that can sort of wipe a spider mite population out. Well, just like our plant pathogens, the mite pathogens don't do so well when it's hot and dry, so it helps to suppress that. So that's or it's not an insect, it's a mite, but it's something that we always sort of put our radars up for when we get dry conditions like this. We haven't seen a lot of mite infestations in east central Illinois just yet, but if the dry conditions persist, and especially if it gets hot along with that, that's something that we can expect to see.
Have you seen infestations in any other parts of the state?
Yeah, up in Monmouth last week I saw a few. Of course, they got a pretty nice healthy rain pretty shortly after we left. That probably took care of things for them. It doesn't take a lot of moisture to really make that problem go away, but especially if you get a good 1-inch rain on top of a mite infestation, typically they check out after that's happened.
Do they just wash off, or what happens to them?
They wash off to some extent, but again, those pathogens get going in the population if it's dense enough to help make that problem disappear.
So really we're looking forward to pathogenic problems in the mite population.
Yeah, that's right. We're hoping a disease comes through and pretty well makes them go away.
That's your soybean update. I'm Stu Ellis. To learn more about the Illinois Soybean Association and the checkoff that pays off, go to ilsoy.org.